Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna be doing another challenge makeup look. And of course I've searched pictures in Instagram and I found this one by SFXtutorial. See that? It's a watermelon makeup look. And fun fact is I am from Philippines, so watermelon is accessible there, but since I got here I haven't eaten watermelon in a long time. So yes, it just looks pretty and delicious. Ew. So it inspires me to recreate this look, and if you're interested in how I will achieve this, it is really perfect. I will achieve this look right here, then please keep on watching. As much as possible, I am trying to make this video as short as I can so it will not be super long and boring. Now, for our transition shade, I'm going to be using the same products as what I have used in my previous challenges, Karity Professional and the CZ Beauty right here. For my transition shade, I'm going to be dipping in my brush in the shade right here with... So I'm just going to buff it in this green real quick, and then we'll proceed to the darker shade. Okay, so for our second shade, I'm gonna be using Medusa, this darker. First, this is the one that we use. It's not focusing. So this is the first shade, and then we'll proceed to this darker green. Now these freaking hairs are on the way, so I'm gonna be using this one right here. Now we'll proceed. I got here the brush and dipping it in once again, and pack the green all over my socket, like, you know, socket, like your balls and the bones in between there. So that's it, and I will make it as pigmented as I can and focus on blending later. Okay, so getting another detailed brush. This is not the first brush that I use, but I dip it in on this one right here, on this green shade, our transition shade, and I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend the harsh edges of this darker green right here. And then I'm gonna head back to the darker green and then add more pigments on the green, darker green, because I want it intense. And it's a back and forth kind of thing. Just don't forget to blend the harsh edges. And then picking up another brush, this one right here, it's a pencil, it's a very stiff brush, and I'm gonna dip it into this Tweety yellow shade. And what I am going to do is to blend the yellow shade with that lighter green. And then I'll go back to the lighter green and blend them well. Just a little bit, just to have a little bit of transition between like lighter green to yellow, like lighter than lighter green on the edge right here. Now I will do cut crease to make way of, I'm gonna show you the picture once again so you'll have to refresh your mind. So this is how the makeup look looks like, and as you can see there is a red right there and a white line. So to make way, like I've said, I'm gonna do a cut crease, and I'm gonna be using this Althea Korea concealer. This is in the shade of Ginger, and this is a Murphy double-ended brush, is that right? This is a spoolie, and I'm gonna be using this angled brush right here. So I'm carving a perfect line, as you can see, and we'll fill it in. the difficult part wherein you have this one right here, the outer V is really difficult to put a perfect line. And here's a technique, guys. If you cannot perfect your cut crease and if your concealers is creasing, now you can go back to the prominent shade, like next to your concealer, and dip a pencil brush right there and erase those nasty smeared concealer, and voila, that's it. Now, since I don't have eyeshadow that is rich red, like this. This is super, as you can see, it's super intense kind of red. Now I'm just gonna be using this lip tint by Althea Korea, and this is in a shade Plum Cream. I will be showing it to you how red is this one. So see, I think that's perfect for the eye makeup. You know what? I always forget to remind myself to take my time, because if I rush, if I normally rush, and I always end up unsatisfied with the look. So I'm reminding myself to just chill and take my time. Now I'm gonna be distributing this pigment, not, it's like all over, but not totally, because I have to leave a white line just like what I did on this side right here. So careful, because when you're using cream or liquid, it's just, if you made a mistake, then it will be difficult to correct that mistake. Alright, so as you can see, it's not as pigmented as the other side, as you can see, right? So, looking pigments. Now, what I did was I dipped a flat brush on this orange shade right here. It is called SFW, and just tap my brush. Ooh, and just tap my brush right there, and yeah, start tapping it on my crease. So see that? It lifts up the color, it gives vibrant, and yeah, looks like this is ending in a good happy ending. I don't know what to say. So that's what I did, and then as you can see, I also left white lines right there, so that, yeah, because let me show you the picture once again. So as you can see, she got a very perfect pigmented white line right there. My god, it's creasing. Now what she did was, the line was all the way to the inner corner, but my eye is really hooded, like I can make it perfect, and it's creasing, so I'll just have it half, like from here, around here, to the outer corner of the eye. Like so. So that's it, guys. Now I'm gonna add dots, so that it's like it's a seed. So as you can see in this picture, she got a lot, plenty of dots on the red shade. So that's what I am going to do. Now I'm gonna be using a eyeliner gel. No, it's not a gel, but eyeliner pencil. Is this a pencil? Whatever. And this is by the brand Smashbox. Okay, let's do the lower lash line real quick. Dipping the brush into this NSFW shade right here, and then I'm just gonna buff it in all over that lower crease. I'm using a pencil brush, and this is by the brand Morphe. Now I want to have this like tight line intensify, so I'm using another very precise pencil brush by Morphe, and I'm just gonna intensify that color right there on the super next to the hairs. Okay, so done. Now I still have a lot of things to apply, and I think I'm gonna be doing that off cam, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back, and I've already applied my bronzer, my contour, and my highlighter and blush. Now I'm gonna proceed to the lip color. I'm just gonna be using a basic color, a neutral color, and this is by the brand OFRA. I always use this in a shade of Verona. Now I'm gonna set this face using this Urban Decay All Nighter. I forgot this is not Murphy, so I have to click. So this is the completed look, guys. Let's see again the image. This is how she created the look, and it looks so pigmented. I would tell you that this makeup look is super easy to recreate. The only thing that I am always failing is making it very pigmented, because I don't know, it's not a valid reason that you don't have things like that, but yeah, that counts. I don't have the right eyeliner, white eyeliner, like liquid eyeliner that would intensify this white line right there. But overall, I would say I love the result. And if you do whatever the downfall of this look, whatever it is, if you like this video, then please don't forget to click the like button, and please do support by subscribing to my channel. If you have any challenges in mind, please don't forget to leave that on my comment box section, and we'll see if I could do that challenge in the future. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. It is really appreciated, and see you on my next post. I love you. Bye.